Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Well, today we bring you a lot of updates, both on the sales platform and project management. Briefly, on the sales platform, there's an entirely new vendor area. Many of you have been wanting to go in there and manipulate your data with more ability than we give you. We like to see you do it on the front end inside of the builder, but many of larger companies have people set aside for data management, so you want to be able to go into the vendor area and manipulate your data, and so we're giving you more functionality there. And you can filter by your the main Jetbuilt database, your customized products, bundles, as well as custom items that you've built. And on that note, we also have given you the ability to delete custom items without first deleting them from those old projects they're in, which is something new. So a lot of work there. Also discontinued items. We've added an icon to discontinued items. So if you're searching for a product, you drop it in, you'll have this little icon to show you that it's been discontinued by the manufacturer. But the big story is project management. About a month ago, I sent a survey out to admin users at your companies asking about other processes within your company, CRM and project management and so forth. And about a third of you use our project management platform today, but about 90% of you want to use it if we would have the functionality you're looking for. And so we want to get where you want us to be on project management. And so today we're launching our first of a series of revisions to project management, and it's pretty exciting. We're starting today with commenting and photos upload within tasks. So let me give you a little bit of rundown of the things you can do with project management. You already know in the builder, for every item, you can create tasks for that item. There could be multiple tasks and multiple steps for that item, and these tasks stick with the item for every future instance. Then inside the project management area, you can click Add Task and click Create Tasks from Line Items. Then we will pool every labor type and the minutes associated with labor for those items and create a task for every item in your project. Finally, you can add generic tasks that are not related to items, such as secure antennas to ceiling, installation phase. We'll assign this to somebody, give it a due date, and we'll give the steps: install anchors, set antennas, 20 minutes. But now with our commenting, you can say, please install the antennas 10 feet from each of the side walls. On the job site, the tech gets the tasks, opens them up. On this one, he sees to install the antennas. He says, well, I'd love to do that for you, but there's HVAC in the way. And here's a photo, so you can take a look and let me know what to do. Grabs a photo or takes a photo, uploads it, and sends it back. So now from the office, you can look at things and advise. Back in the desktop app, notice we've increased the width of this task list page. Also, there's a new column showing what tasks have comments on them. And our timeline on top shows the progress as well as anything past due on a phase-by-phase basis. So for those of you who already use Jetbuilt Project Management, we sure hope you enjoy this. For those of you who do not, just reach out to us and we can help you get going in there and explore these functions. And finally, InfoComm is just a month away, I think. And so we look forward to seeing you in Orlando if you'll be there. And I guess that's it for this update. Once again, thanks for using Jetbuilt. Till next time.